Alright, I totally just blind bought The Cat and the Canary on Blu-ray, and we are going to unbox this thing real quick. And by real quick, I mean we're going to look through everything and every page of the booklet. We're going to get into this. Alright, here we go. Cool thing about the packaging is it has this little tearaway stuff. Little ribbon. No, actually where I can tear it away, but it's cool that it's there. It's already going really well. There we go. The Cat and the Canary. Alright, had to relocate to a more peaceful location. One always has to wonder when there's a 4K restoration if they're going to do a 4K Blu-ray. But heard such good things from the damn fool idealistic crusader that was worth a blind buy. I am definitely gonna keep the current artwork on the outside, because as cool as and vintage as this is, I mean, that is incredible. So, this is one case where I'm just going to leave it. Usually I end up flipping it when there's reversible artwork, because the inside is usually spicier or more different, but this one is way better on the outside. Okay. We are going to quickly look through this thing. You do have a pause button though, if you ever need it for any reason. It's a beautiful shot. This is a very long booklet. These are very thin pages. What are some of your favorite silent films? Recently watched Nosferatu. That was fun. Look at that eyeball on there. Oh, that's a cool picture. Halfway through. Nice, cool picture. Well, I am super excited to dive into this thing. That's a cool poster. This book smells amazing. Oh, yeah. There we go. Nice. This is really cool. Tells you to turn off the motion smoothing. Everybody should do that. Very cool. Okay. There you go. The cat and the canary. Well, let me know what you think if you've seen this and what your other silent film recommendations are for me. Look at that. You can put a second tray in there. Okay. Thank you for watching, and thank you to the Damn Fool Idealistic Crusader for the recommendation. See you on the next one. Bye.